तुम्हारा नाम काव्या किसने रखा? Who named you काव्या? Who named you काव्या? नौकरी के लिए मैं दर-दर भटक रहा हूँ। I am running from pillar to post for a job. I am running from pillar to post for a job. इस पर मेरी मिली-जुली राय है। I have a mixed opinion on this. I have a mixed opinion on this. अगर मैं तुम्हारा बैंड बजा दूं तो? What if I set you right? What if I set you right? तुम्हारे बाल काफी बड़े हो गए हैं। Your hair has got long enough. Your hair has got long enough. बेवजह मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो। Stop bothering me for no reason. Stop bothering me for no reason. आप भी हमारे साथ आ सकते हैं। You also can come with us. You also can come with us. मैं तो कब का आ गई थी। I had come too long ago. I had come too long ago. हर कोई उसकी हरकतों से वाकिफ है। Everyone is familiar with his habits. Everyone is familiar with his habits. वैसे अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? By the way, what are you doing right now? By the way, what are you doing right now? तुम्हारा बाहर निकलना बंद कर दिया जाएगा। You will be grounded. You will be grounded. बिना पैसों के बाहर मत जाओ। Do not go out without money. Do not go out without money. मैं घंटों इंतज़ार नहीं करूँगा। I will not wait for hours. I will not wait for hours. इसके लिए मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ। I am not responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. मेरे सारे सपने चकनाचूर हो गए। All my dreams shattered. All my dreams shattered. शहर में सर्वे चल रहा है। A survey is being conducted in the city. A survey is being conducted in the city. किसी भी चीज को मामूली मत समझो। Do not consider anything trivial. Do not consider anything trivial. तुमने पक्का पिछले जन्म में पाप कर्म किए हैं। You must have done evil deeds in your past life. You must have done evil deeds in your past life. वो किसी भी पल यहाँ आती ही होगी। She must be here at any minute. She must be here at any minute. मुझे और मेहनत करनी है। I need to work harder. I need to work harder. ये सब मेरे बस में नहीं है। This is beyond my control. This is beyond my control. क्या मैं सही कर रहा हूँ? Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? मैं ये सब कैसे संभालूं? How do I handle all this? How do I handle all this? तुम्हें खुद पर भरोसा रखना है। You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. काम ऐसे करो कि नाम हो। Act in way that builds your name. Act in way that builds your name. जो जैसा करता है वैसा भरता है। You get what you give. You get what you give. तुम्हारे नसीब में तकलीफें सहना लिखा है। You are destined to face hardships. You are destined to face hardships. चलो मेला घूम कर आते हैं। Let's stroll through the fair. Let's stroll through the fair. सज धज कर कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going dressed up? Where are you going dressed up? वो बिगड़ जाएगा. He will get spoiled. He will get spoiled. उससे ज़्यादा सिर पर मत चढ़ाओ. Do not pamper him too much. Do not pamper him too much. वो तो कब से तुम्हें बेवकूफ बना रहा है. He has been fooling you for a long time. He has been fooling you for a long time. हालात तुम्हारे खिलाफ हो जाएंगे. The circumstances will turn against you. The circumstances will turn against you. दीवार के सहारे मत खड़े हो. Do not lean against the wall. Do not lean against the wall. मेरे पापा नरम दिल के इंसान हैं. My father is a soft-hearted person. My father is a soft-hearted person. हमने इस बारे में कभी बात नहीं की. We never touched this point. We never touched this point. आप मेरी उम्र क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? Why are you asking my age? Why are you asking my age? मैं कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I have been trying for many days. I have been trying for many days. मैं कल से यहाँ हूँ. I have been here since yesterday. I have been here since yesterday. मेरी नज़रों में पापा हीरो हैं. My father is hero in my estimation. My father is hero in my estimation. तुम मेरी नज़रों में गिर गए हो. You have gone down in my estimation. You have gone down in my estimation. कल मेरी ट्रेन छूट गई. Yesterday I missed the train. Yesterday I missed the train. किसने कहा तुम्हें जाने को? Who told you to go? Who told you to go? मुझे कोई निशानी दो. Give me a keepsake. Give me a keepsake. तुम्हारे स्कूल की छुट्टी कितने बजे होती है? When does your school get over? When does your school get over? ये मेरे पिताजी की निशानी है. This is my father's keepsake. This is my father's keepsake. ये महीना शादी के लिए शुभ नहीं है. This month is not auspicious for marriage. This month is not auspicious for marriage. मुझे गुदगुदी मत करो. Do not tickle me. Do not tickle me. मुझ पर अंग्रेजी सीखने का भूत सवार है. I am crazy about learning English. I am crazy about learning English. स्कूल के दिनों में राहुल तुम पर फिदा था. Rahul was infatuated with you in school days. Rahul was infatuated with you in school days. वो हर वक्त बकबक करता रहता है. He keeps yapping all the time. He keeps yapping all the time. औकात में रहकर बात करो. Speak in your limits. Speak in your limits. पापा मुझे नहीं जाने देंगे. Father will not let me go. Father will not let me go. मुझे 10 मिनट चैन की सांस लेने दो. Let me take a sigh of relief for 10 minutes. Let me take a sigh of relief for 10 minutes. पानी पीना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It is essential to drink water. It is essential to drink water. बाहर धूप में मत जाओ. Do not go out in the sun. Do not go out in the sun. गर्मियों में स्कूल बंद रहते हैं. Schools are closed in summer. Schools are closed in summer. कुछ भी हो सकता था. Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. मैंने वहीं तो खाना खाया था. That's where I had eaten food. That's where I had eaten food. ऐसी फिल्में बहुत उबाऊ होती हैं. Such films are extremely boring. Such films are extremely boring. किसी ने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी. Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. मांसाहार मैं भी नहीं खाता. I do not eat non-veg either. I do not eat non-veg either. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to stop me. You will not be able to stop me. मैं अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रही हूँ. I am still going through a bad phase. I am still going through a bad phase. क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? Do you miss me? Do you miss me?